If I speak in the tongues of men or of angels, but do not have love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. You know what you are if you don't have love, folks? You know what your prayers sound like? They sound like that. Every time you hold unforgiveness towards somebody and you're praying out to God and you want him to answer your prayers, but you don't have love. And yet, so many of us want God to answer our prayers, but we're not loving. We're not loving. We're up there and we're preaching and we're spreading God's word and we're trying our best to teach people this truth, but you don't love. That's it. That's what it sounds like to hold unforgiveness. That's what it sounds like to not walk in love.